This 2012 Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG 21 and Quad AMG 5-spoke wheels, 5.5L bi-turbo V8 engine, 7-speed automatic transmission, navigation system, rear view camera, heated front seats, cooled front seats, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, keyless entry, keyless start, fog lamps, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power rear tailgate, power door locks, black exterior, black leather interior, floor mats. Owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 ML63 AMG is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is visit us at autogallerychicago.com.